Imagine a single calendar year represents the entire history of Earth. Midnight on January 1st marks Earth's formation, and 365 days later is the present day. Where do you think humans would appear in this timeline? The first signs of life show up on February 26th, and the dinosaurs went extinct on Christmas Day. Humans don't appear until 10:50 p.m. on New Year's Eve. We've existed for only 70 minutes of this entire year. Hello and welcome to ZE. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. This illustrates how young humans are compared to the Earth's age or even the universe's age. So, let's look to the future. What thrilling or frightening events will you miss? In 2004, scientists discovered a potentially dangerous asteroid named Apophis, which they initially thought had a 2.7% chance of hitting Earth on April 13, 2029. This asteroid, over 1,000 feet across, could flatten a city, causing public fear. But with more observations, they found no risk of impact within the next century. Instead, Apophis will pass less than 32,000 kilometers from Earth, closer than many satellites and our moon. It's a near miss, but we'll be safe. In 1986, the worst nuclear disaster in history occurred, the Chernobyl reactor meltdown. Radioactive debris devastated the area, leading to its isolation. The Chernobyl exclusion zone now covers over 1,000 square miles and remains uninhabitable, likely until around the year 22,000 due to the long-lasting damage. In the year 40,000, the Voyager space probes will pass another star. Launched in the 1970s, these spacecraft are on a journey beyond our solar system, having made early observations of the outer planets. Voyager 1, the farthest man-made object from Earth, is still just 22 light-hours away. If an alien civilization near the star intercepts it, they'll find the golden record, a collection of Earth's images, sounds, and music, along with a pulsar map to locate Earth. Earth's magnetic field flips every 300,000 years, with the last reversal 780,000 years ago. This suggests we're overdue for another flip, which could happen within a few thousand years. Such a reversal might make us more vulnerable to geomagnetic storms and global power outages. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it collapses in seconds, causing a supernova. Several visible stars, including red giants Antares and Betelgeuse, are nearing this end. Expected to go supernova within 1 million years, these events could happen tomorrow, but you're more likely to miss them. Supernovae will outshine the full moon for 3 months and be visible during the day. Historical observers, like Johannes Kepler in 1604, witnessed such phenomena. In 1969, humans first landed on the moon, leaving footprints that will last about 10 million years due to the lack of wind and water. Eventually, micrometeorite impacts will erase them. In 100 million years, Saturn will lose its rings, which are falling into the planet as ring rain. We're fortunate to see them now, but Mars will gain rings in 40 million years when its moon Phobos breaks apart. NASA's Mars rover Perseverance recently captured Phobos eclipsing the Sun, a sight future humans on Mars might not see. 66 million years ago, a 10-kilometer-wide asteroid struck Earth, wiping out the dinosaurs. Events like this are predicted every 250 million years, so another could happen in 180 million years unless we develop asteroid deflection technology. Gamma-ray bursts, GRBs, the most violent explosions in the universe, occur during black hole formation. They emit as much energy in seconds as the Sun will in its 10 billion-year lifetime. A nearby GRB could devastate Earth's biosphere, with a significant risk every 500 million years. A GRB likely caused a mass extinction 440 million years ago by triggering an ice age and killing many marine species. Another GRB could strike in the next 500 million years. The Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy, set to merge in 4.5 billion years, forming Milkdromeda. This collision will cause chaos among stars and planets. The supermassive black holes at both centers will collide, releasing immense energy. The night sky will change dramatically. In 2 billion years, Andromeda will be visible. In 3.75 billion years, it will dominate the sky. Stars will be born, and by 4 billion years, both galaxies will be distorted, creating a spectacular sight. The Moon moves about 2 inches away from Earth each year, slowing our rotation. Billions of years ago, days were 5 hours long. Now, they are 24 hours long, and in 4.5 billion years, days will be 43 hours long. Hopefully, work hours will remain the same. Our Sun will die in 5 billion years when it exhausts its fuel. Gravitational forces will cause it to expand and engulf the inner planets, including Earth. Space, the final frontier, is filled with wonders that boggle the human mind. Despite our advancements in technology and space exploration, there are still many phenomena that are nearly impossible for humans to witness firsthand due to the vast distances and harsh conditions. Here are 15 insane events in space that you will likely miss in your lifetime. 1. A star being born. Witnessing the birth of a star involves observing the gravitational collapse of gas and dust in a molecular cloud, which can take millions of years. This process, known as stellar nucleosynthesis, results in the formation of a protostar that eventually ignites nuclear fusion. The sheer timescale and distance make it nearly impossible for humans to see a star being born from start to finish. 2. A supernova explosion. Supernovae are cataclysmic events marking the death of a star, resulting in an explosion so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy. These occur roughly once every 50 years in the Milky Way, but predicting and observing them in real time remains a significant challenge due to their unpredictable nature. 3. Black hole formation. The collapse of a massive star can lead to the formation of a black hole, an event that warps space and time. While we can observe the effects of black holes, such as gravitational waves and X-ray emissions, witnessing the exact moment of a black hole's creation is beyond our current observational capabilities. 4. Galactic collisions. Galaxies can collide and merge over billions of years, creating spectacular displays of cosmic fireworks. The Milky Way itself is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy, but this event won't happen for another 4.5 billion years, far beyond a human lifespan. 5. Quasar ignition. Quasars are incredibly bright and distant objects powered by supermassive black holes at the centers of young galaxies. The ignition of a quasar involves vast amounts of gas falling into a black hole, releasing tremendous energy. The distances involved mean we can only observe these events from afar, long after they have occurred. 6. Neutron star collisions. When two neutron stars collide, they create a kilonova, an explosion that emits gravitational waves and heavy elements like gold and platinum. These events are rare and occur in distant galaxies, making direct observation highly unlikely. 7. The formation of a planetary system. The process of planetary system formation involves the aggregation of dust and gas around a young star, eventually forming planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. This process takes millions to billions of years, far exceeding a human lifespan. 8. Exoplanetary eclipses. While we can detect exoplanets as they transit their host stars, observing a full eclipse of an exoplanet by its star is challenging due to the vast distances and precise timing required. 9. Gamma-ray bursts. Gamma-ray bursts are the most energetic events in the universe, thought to result from massive star collapses or neutron star mergers. These bursts can last from milliseconds to minutes, and their unpredictable nature makes direct observation nearly impossible. 10. The end of a universe cycle. Theoretical models suggest the universe undergoes cycles of birth and death, involving phases of expansion and contraction. Observing an entire cycle of the universe would take billions of years, well beyond human timescales. 11. Cosmic microwave background radiation. The cosmic microwave background, CMB, is the afterglow of the Big Bang, observable today as a faint microwave signal. While we can study the CMB, witnessing the actual event of the universe's birth is beyond our reach. 12. The formation of a galaxy cluster. Galaxy clusters form over billions of years through the gravitational attraction of galaxies. Observing the formation of an entire galaxy cluster in real time is impossible due to the immense timescales involved. 13. White dwarf supernova. When a white dwarf star in a binary system accretes enough material from its companion, it can undergo a thermonuclear explosion, becoming a type I supernova. These events are rare and difficult to predict. 14. The death of the Sun. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will exhaust its nuclear fuel and expand into a red giant, eventually shedding its outer layers and forming a planetary nebula, leaving behind a white dwarf. This process will take place long after humanity has ceased to exist. 15. Dark matter annihilation. Dark matter, which makes up about 27% of the universe, is invisible and only detectable through its gravitational effects. Theoretically, dark matter particles could annihilate each other, producing gamma rays. Observing such events is currently beyond our technological capabilities. Space is an arena of endless wonder and mystery, with events that challenge our understanding of the universe. While technological advancements may one day allow us to witness some of these phenomena, many remain out of reach for now. The vast distances and timescales involved ensure that these insane events in space will continue to inspire and intrigue us, reminding us of the grandeur and complexity of the cosmos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.